Hello there. Hey mate, I'm not selling anything, don't worry. All it is, you should have one of these through the door. It's off at the Middlesbrough Council. It's about the free cavity wall insulation.
And what about it?
See, basically, I was noticing you haven't had yours done. I was just wondering if there's any reason for that. You can get it done free of charge along with a free boiler replacement as well, that's all.
Well, the reason I haven't had it done is because I don't want it done.
I mean, it's your house, it's your choice. But obviously, as I say, you want to get it done for free, that's all. Not be anything you'd be interested in at all, even for free. And if your boiler's 8 years old, you can get that replaced free of charge as well.
Do you know, it's funny you say that, because, when was it, last week? Or maybe the week before. I had a guy around here from 0800 Repair.
That's us, yes. Yeah.
I know it's you.
Aye.
Yeah. And he said pretty much exactly the same thing.
Right.
And I said to him, what I've just said to you, I'm not interested.
That's fine, if you're not interested, totally up to yourself. But there shouldn't have been anyone from 0800 Repair, because this is our area. There's only 2 that come around. So there shouldn't have been anyone around bar us, and we haven't been here. We've just got into Colby yesterday.
You haven't been here?
Not me personally, no.
No, but 0800 Repair.
Well, I'm saying there shouldn't have, because there's only me and the other guy. There's only 2 of us that's actually licensed to knock in this area, because you've got to get it cleared by the Middlesbrough Councillors.
Well, he had your high-vis on,
one of them,
and he had an ID card.
Right. Do you remember his name at all? I don't know.
Anthony, I think.
Was it? Right. That was just a couple of weeks ago, was it?
A week ago or a couple of weeks, I can't remember.
That's fine, that's good to know, because I can report back to the office because he's not meant to be here, so... right. That's good to know, because like I say, this is supposed to be my area, basically, so... right,
so why isn't he supposed to be here then? Is he...
He's supposed to be based in Redcar in Cleveland.
Oh,
that's all, so
he's after your commission, is
essentially, yes.
Right.
That's what it looks like.
Right.
Obviously, we both work for these. We get a basic wage, but you do get a bit of bonus for the ones you sign up as well. But no, that's good to know. Like you say, so I can report that back. So that's spot on. Lovely. No worries. Thanks for your time anyway. Cheers.
Right. Well, next time, if 0800 Repair feel the need to come round here, right? What?
I was going to say, what I do is I'll jot your number down on here, and it means we'll not knock on you again.
Right.
If you're not interested, so I'll get you.
So the best thing to do, and my preferred option, right? Because this other guy that came, he was wanting to give me some piece of paper.
Right.
Yeah, right. So my question to you, I didn't question him about it. My question to you is, instead of disturbing people who are probably not the slightest bit interested.
Oh, a lot of people are, because it's free.
Well, perhaps, but you've got to accept that there's people like me who aren't.
I know, get that.
Right?
That's why I jot your number.
So why don't you just take your piece of paper, fold it in half.
We do that.
Push it through the letterbox.
We do that.
Without knocking on the door.
We do that. We send one of these first. You
haven't on this occasion.
It should have, to be honest. But obviously we don't do the delivering. But every house around here should have had a letter through. That's why we'll come around. What number's this one anyway? I'll try to see. I'll jot it down so.
I'm not telling you.
That's fine. I think you'll find it out. But just so I can stop you from getting knocked on again. That was all.
Well, the way that you stop me getting knocked on again, as you put it, is not to knock and put a sheet of paper through the door. And then I can read the piece of paper, and then I can say, oh yeah, that sounds good, I'll give them a call. Or I can chuck it in the bin.
Unfortunately, it's not down to me though. I just work for them. It's not down to me. You'd have to go to the councillors or something about that.
So you're just following orders?
Basically, essentially, I'm just work for the company. I've just got to go where I get told to go, essentially.
Right. You know that's how the Third Reich started, don't you?
I do, yes. I do, and I've been working for it. You've got to pay the bills, don't I? So, no, I can do it. Well, that's fine. I'll leave it at that anyway. I'll quit cracking. But like I say, I'll jot it down so you don't get knocked again anyway. So, spot on. Right. Thanks for your time. Cheers. See you later.
Bye.
See you later.